MySQL. MySQL is one of the most widely used relational database systems in the world. It's free, open source, and very beginner-friendly. It uses SQL to manage structured data in tables. It supports indexes, constraints, transactions, and joins. It's commonly used for websites and web applications. Used by Facebook in its early days, WordPress, and YouTube. Best for blogs, small to mid-sized apps, content management systems. Pros: free and open source. Easy to install and learn. Works well with PHP. Cons: not ideal for large enterprise-scale data. Basic out-of-the-box performance tuning. PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is another open-source relational database, but it's more advanced and powerful than MySQL. It supports both relational and non-relational data, like JSON and XML. It's fully ACID compliant and offers advanced features like custom data types, full-text search, and geographic information. Used by Instagram, Spotify, and Apple. Best for applications needing complex queries, data integrity, or geospatial features. Pros: strong support for standards. Extensible and feature-rich. Great for analytics and complex data. Cons: slightly more complex for beginners. Slower than MySQL for simple read-heavy workloads. OracleDB. OracleDB is one of the oldest and most powerful relational databases. It's built for enterprise-level systems. It supports high availability, clustering, distributed databases, and in-memory processing. It's known for stability, speed, and deep feature sets. Used by large corporations, banks, and government systems. Best for mission-critical apps, financial systems, ERPs. Pros: extremely scalable, high performance, enterprise, grade security. Cons: very expensive, requires expert knowledge to manage. Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server is Microsoft's flagship relational database. It integrates tightly with Windows and .NET environments. It offers built-in business intelligence, data warehousing, and advanced analytics tools. It also supports full SQL, transactions, triggers, and replication. Used by Dell, Stack Overflow, and major enterprise networks. Best for Windows-based enterprise apps, especially with .NET backend. Pros: great integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Powerful admin tools like SSMS. Good support and documentation. Cons: costly licensing. Historically, Windows-focused, though now available on Linux. MariaDB. MariaDB is a fork of MySQL. It was created by the original developers of MySQL after Oracle bought it. It's fully open source, MySQL compatible, and has added features like more storage engines and better performance tuning. Used by Wikipedia, Mozilla, and Booking.com. Best for developers looking for MySQL compatibility with more control. Pros: 100% free and open source. Supports Galera cluster for high availability. Fast and reliable. Cons: slower adoption rate. Fewer third-party tools than MySQL. SQLite. SQLite is not a server-based system. It's an embedded relational database stored in a single file. It's small, fast, and doesn't require configuration. Perfect for mobile apps, small tools, or desktop software. Used by Firefox, Android, and mobile games. Best for local storage, mobile apps, embedded systems. Pros: tiny footprint. No setup required. Very fast for simple tasks. Cons: not meant for high concurrency apps. Doesn't support advanced features like user permissions. IBM DB2. DB2 is IBM's high-performance, enterprise-grade relational database. It's ACID compliant and supports AI integration, analytics, and massive workloads. It runs on both modern cloud infrastructure and legacy mainframes. Used by banks, insurance companies, and large financial institutions. Best for enterprise-level analytics and legacy systems. Pros: rock-solid reliability, AI, and machine learning support. Works well with mainframe systems. Cons: expensive, less common outside IBM-based enterprises. Amazon Aurora. Aurora is Amazon's cloud-native relational database. It's compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL, but designed to be faster and more scalable. It runs on Amazon Web Services and spreads data across multiple zones for high availability. It auto-scales based on usage. Used by Netflix, Samsung, and cloud-native startups. Best for scalable cloud apps that need reliability and speed. Pros: fully managed by AWS. Auto-scaling and backups. Faster than MySQL, PostgreSQL. Cons: cloud only. Pricing can grow fast with traffic. Google Cloud SQL. Google Cloud SQL is a managed relational database service on Google Cloud Platform. It supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. It handles backups, failover, replication, and patching for you. It integrates smoothly with Firebase and other Google services. Used by app developers and teams using Google Cloud. Best for apps running on Google Cloud needing managed SQL. Pros: low maintenance, easy scaling, secure and reliable. Cons: limited control over configuration. Costs may rise with usage. Cockroach DB. Cockroach DB is a distributed SQL database that offers high availability and scalability. It's designed for global applications with strict consistency needs. It automatically replicates data and recovers from failures. Used by Comcast, Baidu, and startups needing multi-region support. Best for global SaaS apps and high reliability systems. Pros: cloud native and scalable. PostgreSQL compatible. Fault tolerant. Cons: still maturing. More complex to manage. SAP HANA. SAP HANA is an in-memory relational database. It stores data in RAM for lightning-fast performance. It supports real-time analytics and transactions. It's tightly integrated with SAP applications and business intelligence tools. Used by Coca-Cola, BMW, and governments running SAP systems. Best for real-time analytics, enterprise resource planning, ERP. Pros: blazing fast performance, great for live dashboards, deep SAP ecosystem support. Cons: very expensive. Needs powerful hardware. Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS is not a database engine itself, but a platform that manages several relational database systems. It supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and MariaDB. It automates backups, scaling, patching, and monitoring. Used by AWS customers who want managed database hosting. Best for any app needing less manual database management. Pros: supports multiple engines, easy deployment and scaling, fully managed. Cons: less control than self-hosted databases, varies in cost based on engine and region. Amazon Redshift. Although not a traditional relational database, Redshift is based on PostgreSQL and used for analytics and data warehousing. It handles petabyte-scale data and supports SQL queries. Best used alongside BI tools like Tableau and Power BI. Used by Lyft, Yelp, and major analytics teams. Best for business intelligence and reporting on large datasets. Pros: high performance for queries. Integrates with AWS tools. Optimized for analytics. Cons: not great for transactional data. Complex cost structure.